Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the weekly and daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it's finished here, that one here. What it gave us, look at that candle here. I'm going to do it like that. And that one here is the same candle like here and like here. Yes or no? It's the same candle, same pin bar, same candle in the weekly. What that indicating? Last time it happened here, what happened? A big jump. Now it happened here. Now let's see if we're going to see a big jump from here or not. As we enter along in the spot, I got a short now in the futures. Now I am risk free in the futures. I take some profit and move the stop loss down, so I am risk free and I'm earning, funding right day by day. By the way, that's another story. If you want to learn those things, you can join us in Telegram and Discord, then we discussed about those things. But in the spot, as we enter from down here, from that level here. Yes or no? Another thing very important here in the weekly. People they been with us, they remember that top of that channel when it's getting broke here. I told you us we are going to fall down to test it again here. Then from here we're going to go more higher and we're breaking that last high here. Yes or no? People they been with me here. I've been saying that long time when we reach here to that 30k. Now at that time, what should you do here in the weekly? Here in the weekly there is nothing yet. Us we still waiting the daily trend line here to get broke for us to enter more long. If it doesn't, there is no entry. As I told you guys, if we don't break here, there is no enter long yet. That for the people they just want to buy one. For people they been with us we been DCA here for some time from those levels. When we reach to daily, I'm going to show it to you. Another thing very important here, people they been with us, they remember that trend line here, that one here when it's getting broke. It's getting broke here. Now at that time, what shall we do? Maybe that one it will go back and test that trend line from here and fall down again and to break for us that last low. Even that one it's possible. Me till now I'm waiting that level here, what the market is going to do in it, guys. That one here, because if you see in the top, as we tested twice here, look with me here, be focused that the first, that the second, and down first, and that one the second. Yes or no? Now either that one, the Bitcoin now, is going to break down or is going to break up. That's it. There is no third time. So now we need to be focused. That way me I told you there is a huge move is coming, but where we don't know exactly. Either up if we break in here, or either down if we breaking down here. And me, I know it's going to be up. That's why me, guys, every time I told you, just DCA, just DCA, just DCA. That's the reason, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see the coming news for all the week. For pictures to get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Here we are, guys, that the coming news for all the week. As you see that the news we got huge news that week. You need to be focused with me. Monday we don't got nothing, we just got a holiday of Japan, and that one it will not affect the market. Tuesday what we got the CPI data of the Eurozone and building permit of USA. Then Wednesday what we got that the special day. Wednesday is a very special day. We got the CPI data or inflation data of UK, and it's going to come very bad. As you see the forecast here, previous one it used to be 6.8. for this month it's going to come 7.1. That's man UK. It's very, very, very bad situation over there. That's first thing. Then we got crude oil inventory. If OMC economic projection, then if OMC statement, then the Fed interest rate decision. And as you see here in investing.com, they said the Fed will not increase interest rate. That means they will pause that month. And if that's happening, we're going to see a jump in Bitcoin, guys. Plus what we got? We got if OMC press conference or Jerome Powell is going to come to yappy at us, then maybe we're going to see the market, it's moving up or down. But the picture is too clear, guys. So in Wednesday at 6 o'clock GMT time, we got the Fed interest rate, and at 6:30 GMT time, we got the Fed press conference. So be careful about those things. Then in Thursday, what we got the Bank of England interest rate, and as you see, they are going to increase interest rate by 25%, and UK is very bad those days. There is nothing to say about that. Then we got initial jobless claim, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing and exiting home sales, that in Thursday. Then in Friday, we got that SP Global Service PMI. So I think picture is too clear here, that all the economic data for all the week, guys. Then here is our friend, the table of us, as you see it. What it telling us till now? It telling us all US stocks, they started the week red. That bad news. You can go to our other channel to see the analysis of the SP and the Nasdaq. And here, our friend, the VIX is 13.79. If you remember in the last video, used to be 12. That means currencies go back. But for Bitcoin, everything's still looking fine. And even for US stocks, everything's still looking fine. Because currency is very low, so there is nothing to be worried about. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in daily. Over here, we still for long term. Here that the daily candle finished, and as you see here in the daily, everything is very clear and in front of you. Also, we are below in the 100 and we are below in the 200. So even if we go up, maybe we just going to touch here the 200. Then after that, we're going to see a fall down, because till now the 50 moving average is crossing below than all those ones, but that one is the fastest one. That's why me I told you. Also, we don't follow indicators, guys. Also, we follow price action. That's what me I've been telling you every time. So here in the daily, I told you the price action we got here is that down wage like that, and the lower of it is down here like that, as you see it. Also, we buy from here, we buy from here, we buy from here, and we buy from that low here. Now what shall we do? For those people that just waiting to buy once, it need the market to break here at that level for you to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, guys. But everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Over here is only for swing trading. Over here, same thing I told you. If you remember that trend line here like that, today we break it here. Today official, we breaking the downtrend in the 4 hours. That one here also we been following and we waiting. Today it's getting broke here. So technically the Bitcoin, it will go either to that one here or that one here. Either to 27k. I will tell it to you exactly. Either here 27,800 or here 29,600. Because today was official, we breaking that trend line we used to have here, as you see it, guys. We break it here and the market give you there a very, very nice pin bar. So for swing trading, the market is telling us is going to go more higher, as you see it, that the pin bar me I'm talking about. Now for those ones they haven't entered, what you need to do, look with me what I'm going to do, because that level here, that one here, that high here, as you see, that one from here and here, it's very stronger. If the market came and breaking above here, you can enter more long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. That one here, guys, as you see it, also we coming from down here. People they been with us, also we buy from down here from 25k. Now also we are in very nice profit. Me, I'm talking just buying in the spot, because if you buy in the future, you buying funding rate more than your earnings. That's why me are buying just in spots and the enter short just in futures. That's another story. Here I tell it to you in the last video, we got over there the hidden divergence. Should we enter long now? Not yet, my friend. Enter long, it was from down here, and that indicator of us is going to go up till it will touch in here the overbought area. Till now there is nothing. I show you how to enter long for the people they haven't entered. Show you everything now in the chart. You can go back and watch it. Good news now, also we are in a bull market. Also we go into smaller time frames and we will enter long. That way me I told you, if you are not in our telegram and not in our discord, you can join us. By the way, it's not expensive, it's only 10 bucks. You're going to back it within one signal or two, and also we're giving there extra cryptocurrency analysis signals. Even you can join us there. And here, so now let's go into see our other indicator, guys. That one here, same thing, guys. As you see it, it touch here overbought area, so technically you need to enter short level. You are in a very stronger level. I show it to you in the last video. Now if the market give you here the double bottom here, I'm breaking the neckline which is down here. I show it to you when we reach to 30 minutes. I'm going to show it to you very well. You can enter short. For the long, it's already breaking up, so I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today for scalping and day trading. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please support us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, people they been with me in our Discord and in our Telegram. Also, we enter a short from that candle here, exactly from that level here. Yes or no? We fall down here. I told people take 25% and move stop lose to entry point. That's when you are risk free. First take profit of us is it down here at that peak here of the one. Now at that level here, what should you do? Look with me what I'm going to show you, that the new price action you got here like a smaller wage like that. If the market breaking here, you can enter long. If the market breaking down here, you can enter more short. Now me here in 30 minutes, me I enter a short from here. Now here at that level, I'm waiting to enter a long, guys. That's what me I'm waiting till now. I'm waiting to enter a long now. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it enter here to oversold area. So technically we need to enter long. Yes or no? Because level also we are in a very stronger level. Look with me how I'm going to bring it. You see it or no? I bring it from here, here, and here. It's a very stronger level. Should we enter long? If the market came and breaking above here, the trend line here, yes, you can enter more long. If it's not, you need to wait till the right time, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.